Hello, I'm Nick. Today I will show you how to turn your Figma design into a real app in just a few minutes using a tool called Replit. Replit is a platform for building apps with natural language. You can explain what you want to see in plain words, and AI will generate it for you. Or you can follow a different approach and import your design or code. In my case, I will import design from Figma. All I need to do is to provide Figma link. So I will jump into Figma. And here I have a design of a web app for recipes. So far I have a design only for mobile viewport. And before jumping back to Replit, I want to mention one important detail that will save you a lot of time in design process. Try to use auto layout for UI elements. This way you will make your life easier and help the AI tool to turn your design into code without critical UI issues. So let's copy the link to this entire Figma page and paste it into the input field in Replit. Click Import from Figma. The tool starts to analyze design and turn it into code. This process takes some time, and the more complex your UI is, the more time it will take for the system to transition it to code. But generally speaking, you can expect Replit to complete it in a couple of minutes. The good news is that this process is fully automated, so you don't need to answer any questions along the way. Simply let Replit do all the heavy lifting for you. And you should expect to get a result very close to the one that you have in Figma. What you see now is a coded solution of our design. So basically we've just vibe coded our product. The great thing is that you can ask AI to refine the solution. So instead of diving into code, you can write a follow-up prompt. Like in my case, I will ask AI to fix 3 issues. First, fix placeholder text in the search bar. It should say search for recipes, not search icon for recipes, like it says now. Next, I want to see all cuisines, quick filter. It should be enabled by default. And lastly, I want to have 2-column layout for cards with recipes, because 2-column layout works better for desktop. Let's submit it and see what we will get. The great thing is that Replit fixes all issues in real time, and you see the results of the actions in solution preview. So, it did fix all 3 issues, and our layout looks good. Yes, it has a few minor issues, such as spacing issues for card content elements. When you see such problems, you have either submit a follow-up prompt or activate edit mode, and fix issues manually. For example, here you can see how I set custom horizontal and vertical paddings. Lastly, let me show the magic of vibe coding. I can ask Replit to create a brand new page based on the information it has about our product. So I can ask Replit to create a details page that users will see when they tap or click on a particular recipe. The cool thing is that Replit will use not only content, but also the styling of UI elements when it crafts the new page. I've provided general information about the details page, and here is what we've got. You can use the same approach for all other parts of your design. While I was working on this video, Replit launched Agent 3, their most advanced AI agent to date. The great thing about Agent 3 is that it acts as a true collaborator. It's more autonomous and reliable than ever before. It can run up to 200 minutes autonomously, and you can use it to automate various tasks, such as checking updates, sending notifications, or doing testing. I particularly like testing use case, because I find testing the most tedious part of design process. So now we can let AI test our product for us. Agent 3 will test and fix our solution as part of the app building process using an actual browser. So that's what I will show you right now. And to do that, I don't have to switch to another example, as our product has some usability issues. And I think Agent 3 can help us fix it. First, we need to ask AI to create a testing plan for us and schedule it. It just created us a comprehensive plan. So now what I will do is to ask AI to create a dedicated agent that will act as QA specialist and take care of this plan. AI starts working on it. And what you see here is agent performing actions in a real web browser. And here is what the agent sees and does. AI is speaking out loud while doing things. You can view the AI agent actions in real time simply by clicking this button. After a while, the agent provides a report of what bugs it found during the testing and how it fixed the bugs. It tells us that it fixed the search. Let's ensure the fix is working properly by playing with the search field. And yes, it works great, as we can filter the categories. It took me less than 5 minutes to turn static Figma mocks into the real web app using Replit. Now I can share this app with my stakeholders and collect much better feedback from them. Let me know what you think about Replit in the comments. Thank you!